Here is the Toyota Corolla. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem, put one finger right over there and then push it left. While it's pushed left, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot and let it go. Let's start with the passenger side. That's the bulb over there. The way to access it, just go behind it. That is the bulb holder right over there. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it. And now you should be able to get it out of the light. There you go. To get the bulb off, just grab the bulb and pull it off straight. The bulb size is 7444 NA. Again, 7444 NA. It's got two filaments inside it for two different functions. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb and push it back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put it back in the light, it may not just go in right away, and you may have to do some twisting and turning like this before it just drops in. This is good. At this point, just grab it and twist it right to lock it, and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side, exact same process, no differences whatsoever, just as accessible. That's the bulb holder there. Grab it, twist it left, and out it comes. Same bulb, 7444 NA. Let's put this back in. Once it sits in flush, just twist it right to lock it. And you just have to twist it right a little bit to lock it, and that is pretty much it. Now to close the hood, first push on the hood, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it, lower the hood, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.